In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify header layout, desktop. Because each Shopify theme exposes different controls, I'll walk you through the universal workflow, show you what to look for, and share a safe way to use custom CSS if your theme doesn't offer the exact layout you want. Start in your Shopify admin. Open Online Store, then Themes, and on your live theme click Customize. That opens the theme editor, where the preview is on the right and your sections are in the left sidebar. Find the header section and click it. This is the control center for most header layout options, and what you see here will vary by theme. Look through the settings carefully. Many themes include a header behavior control, where you can keep the header default, make it sticky so it stays at the top as you scroll, or set it to reveal on scroll for a cleaner initial view. You'll often see options for logo position or layout, such as logo left, centered, or stacked above the menu. If your theme has menu-style controls, you may be able to switch between inline links and a menu icon, and choose alignment like left, center, or right. Some themes support a transparent header, which is great for hero images on landing pages. Check if you can enable it for specific templates only, so it doesn't impact readability on other pages. You'll usually find a logo size or width slider as well. Adjust it incrementally and keep an eye on how it affects spacing and line breaks in your navigation. When you're happy with the look, click Save in the theme editor to apply your changes. Use the device switcher at the top to preview desktop and, if available, mobile to make sure spacing still feels balanced. If the layout you want isn't achievable with your theme's built-in settings, say logo on the far left, menu centered, and icons to the right, you can add a small CSS tweak. For example, in the Dawn theme, a simple flex layout can rearrange header elements. Your CSS might look like this. Header was inline, display, flex, align items, center, justify content, space between, channel size, header while heading, margin right, auto, header inch menu, margin, 0 auto, header din icons, margin left, auto. Note that class names are theme-specific, so inspect your theme's markup to confirm the selectors are correct. Before editing, duplicate your theme as a backup. To add the CSS, go to Online Store, Themes, click Actions, then Edit Code. Place the CSS in your main.css or .css file, or use a custom CSS or additional CSS field if your theme provides one. Save. Refresh the preview, and fine-tune spacing as needed. That's it. Use theme settings first, then elevate with light CSS if required.